Hello friends, welcome to our channel and let's start our video. In this video, we will be talking about the Chinese influence on Indian market, as we have seen that most of us are boycotting Chinese product after skirmish between Indian army and Chinese army. But in this video, we will be dealing with the trade relation between these two countries. It was all started with the Silk Road. The Silk Road served as a major trade route between India and China, but at that time the pace of trade was not that much fast and also not that much problematic. But it was in the year of 2008 when the China became the India's largest trading partner. From that time onwards, India started facing trade imbalance heavily in the favor of China. To cope up with this situation of imbalance, the Prime Minister of India, Manmohan Singh, and the Premier of China, Wen, in June 2012, came up with a bilateral partnership whose aim is to set a goal to increase the bilateral trade between India and China to $100 billion by 2050. But this does not help much. Bilateral trade between China and India touched $89.6 billion in 2017 and 18, with the trade deficit widening to $62.9 billion in China's favor. In 2017, the volume of bilateral trade between India and China stand at $84.9 billion. This figure excludes the bilateral trade between India and Hong Kong, which stand at another $34 billion. Now have a look on the export-import data of 2014 for having more clear view on trading imbalance. Chinese import from India amounted to $16.4 billion. Some of the commodities exported from India to China were electronic equipments for $40 million, plastic for $99.7 million, machines, engines, pumps $639.7 million. On the other hand, Chinese export to India amounted to $58.4 billion. Some of the commodities exported from China to India were electronic equipments $16 billion, machines, engines, pumps $9.8 billion, plastics $1.7 billion. Now have some look on the growing investment of Chinese private company on Indian market. According to official figure, until 2014, the Chinese investment in India was $1.6 billion. But in the next 3 years, total investment increased fivefold to at least $8 billion, according to the data from the Ministry of Commerce in Beijing. Currently, companies which are the major Chinese investment include BigBasket, Baiju, Delivery, Dream11, Flipkart, Hike, MakeMyTrip, Ola, Oyo, Paytm, Paytm Mall, Policybazaar, Quikr, Snapdeal, Swiggy, Udaan, Zomato are some of the companies where the Chinese company holds stake. According to a report, Chinese funding to India's tech startup is making an impact disproportionate to its value, giving the deepening penetration of technology across sectors in India. TikTok, owned by ByteDance, is already one of the most popular app in India, overtaking YouTube. Xiaomi handsets are bigger than Samsung smartphones. And the report says that the China is embedded in Indian society, the economy, and the technology ecosystem that influences it. In short, China is dominating Indian business. Now the question arises, does India benefit from Chinese investment? Share your views in comment section, and I hope you like this video. So please like, share and subscribe our channel.